Mic testing. Mic test. Mic test. What the guys. Hello again, guys. I'm Juicy, and this is Juicy Creatives. So, time check. It's 12:12 a.m., July 17, 2024. Ito na naman ako. I'm talking again to you. For now, I will call you camera kasi camera naman talaga yung nasa harap ko ngayon. And tonight, ano ba? Tonight ba? Morning? This morning na, today na. Still, this is unplanned. Wala tong script. Wala tong kahit anong storyboarding or anong magaganap. This is just me talking. Because I don't know. I've been liking this ever since I started. And wala lang. Ang saya lang kung kausapin yung camera ko ngayon. Bear with me if I'll be talking for I don't know kung ilang minutes na naman to. Baka abutin na naman tayo ng 20 minutes nito. Pero you know, if you like this, then let me know para ma-continue natin. Tonight, let's talk about creativity juice or your creativity in simple terms. And how does this affect you as a graphic designer or as an artist? How does it affect your outputs? How does it affect your work? How does it affect your day-to-day basis? Paano ka gumalaw sa araw-araw? Based on my experience lang I'm no professional artist. I do graphic designing as a hobby. And fortunately, I've been doing graphic designing as a mode of work. So, basically, kumikita na ako ng pera sa pag-graphics kumikita na ako ng pera sa pag-graphic design. Okay, I didn't take any courses. I didn't take any seminars or what. It's just pure YouTube lang talaga. Halos lahat. So, please bear with me. Please sabihan nyo ako if may mga na-miss out ako or may mga nasabi akong hindi tama. Because I'm no expert. I just do this and it's been a great experience for me. So yun na nga. Let's talk about creativity juice. What is creativity ba? Search muna natin. Search natin. What is creativity? We're not even prepared for this, bro. Creativity. I don't know if you can see it, but sabi dito, oh shit. Creativity is the use of the imagination or original ideas, especially in the production of an artistic work. So, in simple terms, ang creativity is pag-recognize ng isang tao ng ideas, solutions, alternatives, practices on how to solve a problem. So, creativity does not only come with being an artist, but also creativity is used every day. Kung paano ka palang mag-solve ng paglilinis ng kwarto, kung saan mo ilalagay yung mga gamit, kung paano mo aayusin yung mga gamit mo sa lamesa, on how will it look sa mata mo, sa mata ng mga bisita mo, and make it look aesthetically pleasing. That's creativity based on my understanding. I will speak on behalf of graphic designers, and I will speak as a graphic designer for this, since this channel will be mainly about creatives. So please, sana maintindihan nyo if I can't relate every job or every career na kailangan din ng creativity. Although kailangan naman natin siya every day. So, as a graphic designer for almost 6 years, ang daming beses na talaga na nawalan ako ng creativity. In my terms, I call it, ubus na yung creativity juice ko. And also, para mas simple, para sa mga hindi nakakaintindi masyado or hindi nakaka-relate sa same lang yung idea ng burnt out and pagkaubos ng creativity juice. So, if burnout ka, you basically can't think well, especially sa trabaho. Kasi Hindi mo na alam kung saan ka mag-uumpisa. Hindi mo na alam kung paano mo isosolve yung problem. Basta, you just know it and mararamdaman mo lang talaga na you cannot function well kasi nga wala na eh. Kumbaga, ubus na yung ideas sa ulo mo. Ubus na yung energy ng utak mo para mag-isip. Sa physical strength, iba din yun na. Kasi, although nauubos din yung physical strength, pero feeling burnt out it's way more different. Kasi, mental yung pinag-uusapan. So, if you're an artist and wala ka ng creativity juice, kung burnt out ka na, most cases, hindi sila nakakapag-isip ng maayos on how to finish an art, on how to start an art. Hindi nila maisip kung ano yung style na gagawin nila. Those kinds of things. In my case, as a graphic designer, nauubos yung creativity juice ko when, syempre, pag palagi ka nagtatrabaho, that's the very first factor for me. If super constant na yung pagtatrabaho mo, continuous ka na nagtatrabaho for ilang oras, let's say 12 hours ka na nagtatrabaho non-stop, hindi ka tumatayo sa upuan mo, tapos nakaharap ka lang sa computer whole day, yun, doon nauubos yung creativity juice ko. That's one. Second, kahit hindi ako gumagawa, pero kung nagsuscroll ako, for example, sa Pinterest, nagsuscroll ako and I see these designs and I wanted to execute. Gusto ko siyang gawin myself. Gusto ko siyang i-recreate. Pero, naiisip mo na, oh my God, this is kind of complicated. How do I start with this? How do I even start with doing these lines, doing these shapes, putting this texture? Yun yung second factor for me. Nako-conscious ako na gawin yung isang bagay, especially if hindi ko mamimit yung expectations ko sa sarili ko. Pinangungunahan ko yung sarili ko, in short. Third factor ng pagka-drain ng creativity juice ko is, and I know this is kind of toxic, pero pag nakikita ko yung ibang artists online, mga friends ko, and I see their work, and ang gaganda talaga, nako-conscious ako. Kumbaga, I feel jealous kasi, oh my God, how did I not think of that? Kaya ko pala gawin yun dati. Why did I not think of that? Yun. Pero, in the end, I'm still very proud of them. Kasi nagawa nila yun. And, they've managed to showcase it to people. People saw their art. Or people saw what they did. And, syempre, it's a very amazing feeling talaga kung ikaw yung artist na gumawa nun. Yun. So, yun lang naman yung nagpapaubos ng creativity juice ko. Besides some factors na personal problems, health problems, yun lang naman. Another factor is pag walang pera. Yun. Naubos yung creativity juice ko. What happens if ubos yung creativity juice ko? As a graphic designer, what usually happens to me is hindi ako makapag-umpisa ng project. So, kahit na ang dami ko ng inspos na nakita, nalagay ko na lahat sa mood board, plakado na, i-execute na lang. Gagawin mo na lang talaga. Hindi ko siya maumpisahan. It always feels like ang bigat ng mouse. Ganyan nararamdaman ko. Yung parang ayaw gumalaw ng mouse sa way na gusto mo. That's what I feel like. Yun, nakaka-drain, nakakairita kasi nga ganun yung nararamdaman mo and matatapos na lang yung araw, wala ka pa rin nagawa. Wala pa rin ako nagawa. Yun yung isa sa mga nangyayari sa akin if ubos na yung creativity juice ko. Second, na nangyayari sa akin is I cannot function well What I mean by that is, pag nagluluto ako, naglalakad, uminom ng tubig, kumakain ng candy, nagtutoothbrush, tumatae, lahat ng gagawin ko, I feel like ang bigat. I feel like may utang ako sa sarili ko na art for that day. Sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na, holy shit, di ko magawa. Parang hindi ko deserve maglakad. Parang hindi ko deserve kumain ng candy. Kahit candy lang, hindi ko deserve kasi wala akong creativity. Hindi ako nakagawa ng art ko for today. Ganon yung nararamdaman ko. So, I feel heavy. Nakokonsensya akong gawin yung mga day-to-day dapat na talaga namang normal na ginagawa ng isang tao. And I think yung third one is when I ran out of creativity juice, tinatamad akong gumalaw. What I mean is, hihiga na lang ako, I'll open my phone, and then, for the whole fucking day, magsuscroll lang ako na magsuscroll. Nonsense. Yung mga pinagsuscroll ko sa TikTok lang, nanonood lang ako ng K-drama or what. Pero yun yung nangyayari. I believe, as a graphic designer, I want you all to realize this as well, na it's very normal na maramdaman yung ganun. When you run out of ideas, when you run out of energy to do something, when you run out of creativity, I believe na it's very okay to take a rest. Kailangan muna talaga natin magpahinga at those times. Kailangan mong huminga. You have to go out. You have to reset your mind para hindi clouded yung ideas natin sa ulo natin. Para when we get back, ayun na, ideas will just flood in your brain. And dati, I didn't think na kailangan ko yun. Na kailangan ko ng breather, kailangan ko ng rest. I didn't think na kailangan kong magpahinga. Kasi, I said to myself, magpapahinga ka lang, Juicy, if may nagawa ka ng tama that day. If may nagawa ka ng art that day. That's the time na may karapatan ka ng magpahinga. But when times like this, or times like wala ka na, burnt out ka na, ubos na talaga yung juice sa ulo mo, I encourage you guys to rest. Kailangan talaga magpahinga. Rest is very, very much important. Bakit? Kasi, pag di ka nag-rest, okay, yung mga bagay na ginagawa mong best dati, hindi mo na magagawa. Just like a computer. Computer nga napapagod, di ba? When you use a computer for a long period of time, kahit na bago pa yung mga internals ng computer mo, kahit na latest pa yan, naka-RTX pa yan, naka-Core, i12, i10, pinaka-latest na hardwares ng computer, pag inabuso mo naman, eventually, mapapagod din yan. And it will not perform at its best. The same with the human body. In order for a human to function well, kailangan balanced lahat. Kailangan balance ang pagkain, balance ang exercise, most especially, balance ang tulog, balance ang pahinga. Ang tao nga, di ba? Mga doktor nagsasabi, a normal person should rest at least 6 to 8 hours or 5 to 8 hours. I don't know guys, if doctor kayo, please paki-correct na lang ako. Pero from what I know, 8 hours ang recommended sleep ng isang tao. That's my point. For your creativity juice, para gumana siya, para mag-flood yung ideas sa ulo mo, you have to rest as well. Labas ka. Mag-cafe ka. Uminom ka ng kape. Kumain ka. Magliwaliw ka dyan. Pumunta ka sa iba't ibang lugar. And don't think of work at that time. Pahinga ka lang. And eventually, after, let's say, 1 araw, 2 araw, 3 araw, once you get back, I swear guys, it's a different person ulit. It really feels like nag-reset ka. Alam mo yung reset sa iPhone? Yun, parang yung storage mo naging 0 ulit. Parang ready ka na ulit sa lahat ng challenge na darating sa'yo. So, that's my take on creativity juice. I'm sharing this because I just took my rest. Kasi if you know from my past, if you've watched my past video, I mentioned na ubos na talaga yung ideas ko. Ubos na talaga. So, I thought to myself, well, it wouldn't hurt naman if magre-rest ako ng ilang araw lang. From there, let's see, after ng ilang araw na rest, kung gagana ba ulit tayo or hindi na. And, fortunately, tama nga. Kailangan ko lang talaga ng pahinga. And right now, I'm functioning well. I have ideas in mind. I just finished my work and my boss really liked my art. Nagtatry ako ng bagong styles, pag-design. And yeah, it's been good. I'm proud of my progress sa works ko so far this past few days. So yeah, yun, nakaka-enjoy lang talaga. I've accepted already na ganun pala talaga dapat, no? Sometimes rest is the answer if hindi mo maisip or hindi ka maka-function ng maayos. Yun, nakakatuwa lang. So, I have this quote online na nakita, and it said, rest is a sweet sauce of labor. And I vouch on that. When you rest, after ng rest, you will do your best again. Magugulat ka na lang talaga na you're doing things more quick. You're doing things more professionally. You're doing things better. Keep that in mind, guys. Rest is important because rest is a sweet sauce of labor. Okay? If you've been working hard and nauubos na yung creativity juice mo, bro, chill. Pahinga mo yan. I hope you guys liked my insights about this. Again, if may gusto pa kayo i-share, feel free to just comment there if ever may manonood nito. Congratulations, we have now 2 subscribers. I swear to God, hindi ko po sinishare tong YouTube channel ko to any of my social media accounts. This is just for fun, and I enjoy creating this video. I enjoy talking right now, and I also enjoy sharing these things to you. Kasi if isa ka ding frustrated na graphic designer, then magkasama tayo. Again, thank you so much for those 2 people na nag-subscribe. And we have 40 views, di ba? Astig no, naka 40 views pa ako kahit hindi ko naman sinishare sa social media ko yung YouTube channel ko. Ever na mapapanood nyo to, I hope you guys like it. Although, this ain't your typical nakakatawa na vlog or nakakatawa na podcast. I'm just here, just talking randomly and sharing his thoughts. I hope people will relate to me. Yun na lang. That's it for now, guys. Let's talk more on the next video. I leave you guys with my quote or my saying. Let's keep creating because we're all stupidly creative. Again, this is Juicy Creatives. Goodbye.